Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosy. As you can see, let's check the specification of this ROM. You will get Android version 10 in this ROM. Android 11 is not released for this ROM till now, so let's check which ROM is this. As you can see, this is the RR ROM build version, RR OS 8.6.8, 26 April Rosy unofficial. This is the unofficial build, not the official build, and this is a stable version Android 10. You will get Android 10 in this ROM. So basically today we will review this ROM. Android security patch is 5 April. As you can see, this is the latest security patch. No new update is released till now. This is the latest patch, and the kernel Pixel Experience kernel is installed, as you can see. So without getting late, let's start our video. Welcome to Tech Custom. Now let's check all the features of this ROM. What are the features and the bugs? There is no bugs in this ROM. I have already tested, so there is no major bug. If maybe there is minor, but it maybe there will be minor, but it will take few days to detect that minor bug when you use continuously your device. And this is the R tools. As you can see, here is the status bar. You can customize it according to your use, whichever you want. This if I have already made the full information about this RR tools. You can check the previous version if you want the full information about these features. So I will not tell you about all the features. And here is the status bar. You can customize it according to your use, whichever you want. Custom notification ticker, logo is also available, so you can switch it. I have already tested, so don't worry, each and every feature is working perfectly. And status bar tuner is also available, and there is no volt icon coming, and Geo is working perfectly. There is no problem, and Wi-Fi is also working, hotspot is also working, net is also working. So there is no volt icon coming right now, as there is no option to. Let's check whether it is available or not. And here is the system icon. Here is the option of the volt icon. You have to enable it, so that's why it is not showing, because it is off. So as you can see, volt is now working perfectly without any problem, and volt Wi-Fi also working. And you can change the volt icon if you want. You can choose whichever you want. It works perfectly fine. And volt icon you can choose whichever you want. So 4G instead of LTE is also available. You will get 4G instead of LTE. And here is the panel options. Quick settings is also available. Here is the quick settings. These are the, sorry, it is not working right now. Here is the quick setting. These are the quick setting. As you can see, these you can customize it according to your use. Header image is also available. Transparent header. Here is the transparent header. If you want transparent, then you can switch it according to your use. Hide gradient view. Hide the darkest behind the QS panel under the header. You will notice this over the edges, as you can see. Enable custom images is also available, so you can use it according to your use, whichever you want. As you can see, it works perfectly fine without any problem, so you can select it according to your use. And recent apps applications, you can change it. Volume panels. Here is the volume panels. As you can see, this is the latest volume panels. New volume panels and default panel style, you can change it according to your use, whichever you want. MIUI is also available. You have to restart your device, but it works perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. It is 100% accurate, so all the features are working perfectly without any problem. If you face any problem, you have to restart your device if any of the feature does not work. And Asian pickers is available. You have to change it to red, whichever you want. You can apply it. And here is the red. I will have changed my Asian color to red. As you can see, interface is written in the red and the icons red, so you can check it according to your use. And here are the parts menu. Here is the system profile, charging, sound, whichever you want, you can apply it. Vibration only. Here are the sounds, you can apply it according to your use, whichever you want. You can change the DP if the DP is not accurate in your device, but it is accurate, 100% accurate. There is no need to change any DP. Here is the fingerprint sensor settings. You can check it, heads up display, so you can check it according to your use. And the gaming is also available. Gaming customization, you can customize it according to your use. So we'll check the Call of Duty also, so don't worry. Here is the ambient mode option. Force brightness values, you can use it. Always on display is also working perfectly. Here is the ambient display. Let's check whether it works or not. So as you can see, it works perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, it is not fully black. As you can see, right now it is fully black. It takes a few minutes to few seconds only. So it works perfectly, and double tap to wake is also working perfectly. So you can use it whichever you want. If you want to enable, you can use it always on charging. If you want only while charging, you can use it. So list view animation is also available. Each and every feature is working perfectly, and OT updates, you will get OT updates from here. There is no update available right now, as you can see, no new update. This is the latest version available. And battery performance of this ROM is very good. There is no any problem in the battery performance. You will not face any problem, so don't worry. And let's say the display is working, brightness level is working, you can easily adjust without any problem. There is no any problem. And here is the night light is intensity is also working perfectly, you can use it. And adaptive brightness is also working. Styles and wallpapers, you can customize it. And here is the lock screen display. Let's check the face unlock, how fast is the face unlock and the fingerprint of this ROM. So basically I have tested this ROM for after a long time. Let's check the speed also. As you can see, you can easily apply the fingerprint without any problem, it works perfectly. Let's check the speed also. Vibration is also working. Tap open. As you can see, there is fingerprint speed is not lightning fast, but it is not good. Speed is not best one. Fingerprint speed is not best one, and it cannot detect it easily, so there may be problem in the fingerprint. The fingerprint speed is very poor. Let's check the face unlock speed, how fast is the face unlock speed. Now let's check the speed of the face unlock, how fast is the face unlock speed. As you can see, face unlock speed is better than fingerprint speed. As you can see, it works perfectly fine without any problem, but the fingerprint speed is little bit low than face unlock speed. So almost face unlock speed is better than fingerprint, and you can easily log in without any problem. You have to flash open gaps in this ROM. I suggest you to flash bit gaps or nick gaps, whichever you want. So basically all the features are working. Bluetooth is also working perfectly fine, and Call of Duty I will check it, so don't worry. And here are some of the application installed in this ROM. As you can see, AnTuTu benchmark. Let's check the AnTuTu benchmark, whether what is the score of this ROM. As you can do, 85,855 score. Here the CPU performance is good, better CPU performance, and GPU performance is also good, so don't worry. And here is the memory performance and US data processing speed, user experience. And 40 degrees is the highest temperature. Device is not heating, but it is good. And 4% drop in the battery, 2.8 increase in the temperature for 37.2 to 40. The camera go application is already installed in this ROM. Here you can see, you can use this ROM, this camera without, you can use this camera without flashing anything. It is already included in this ROM. It works perfectly fine without any problem. As you can see, there is some lag. Best ROM ever. Welcome to RR, best ROM ever written. And let's check the safety net, whether the safety net is passed or not. And our Play Store is certified, so don't worry. Here is the safety net is passed in this ROM, so don't worry. As you can see, safety net is passed successfully. Let me show you that the Play Store is certified or not. As you can see, device is certified, so don't worry. So now let's check the gaming performance of this ROM, RR ROM. So as you can see, it is lagging right now, as you can see, and the enemy came near. I am using this ROM for first time, playing this ROM. Playing this ROM for the first time. So let's check the performance. For performance, game is better. Game is working perfectly and smoothly without any problem. अबे यार, he killed me. He is a sniper. He has a sniper. Let's check again. How is the performance? Now we will go from here. Working perfectly fine right now. There is no enemy nearby, so I cannot tell right now. अबे कोई भी नहीं मरा यार. So basically performance is good. There is no lag or any delay in the performance. I like this ROM. So there is no problem by playing games. There is no lag or any delay. So basically you can use this ROM for gaming also. I prefer this ROM for daily usage. Or you can try other ROMs which is available for Redmi 5 Android 10 based. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.